tutorial we discuss about how to mirror the object or any shapes. Okay, so which one you want to mirror? So just copy the object. So using move tool to copy. So control and I copy. After copy the item, so just select, then use scale tool. Okay, so I use shortcut key yes. After that you can just flip center this point to flip this side and enter in keyboard -1, enter. So you can see it's automatically mirrored. This way you can mirror anything, any shapes, any diagram, any tools, anything you can mirror it. Just flip and put it -1 in the keyboard with the help of scale tool. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.